back to my channel. It's your boy Ashton. Today I will be going into Target so we can find some stuff and review them. So see you guys in the store. Bye. This one's the messiest. I don't like these because they're hard. So they're squishy here and here.
What are these? Amazing slime.
Those are like, are you recording?
Yeah.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of these and for $8. That's expensive. But we're reviewing like cheap stuff. But me and Veronica would like to try what these are.
They're pretty cool.
These I like the colors, but these are too childish. Isn't that cool though?
Let's check out some other things. What are these?
Oh, these are like slimes. Is that cool?
World of Compound.
What are they? What did you say?
World of Compound. They got them in different scents.
Those are the Frappuccino ones. I might put this back. I want to get a different one. Nah, I don't know. Oops, the wrong one. This one. They have Thinking Putty. This is really cute. It's small too. I like that.
Grab one of those.
I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm trying to look for a good one. I'm gonna get this one. Thinking Putty Nightfall. Pretty. Figured for because it goes around like this. I look for a stress ball. Let's go on the outside.
Yeah, like no poppets here.
Oh my god, they literally have the top on the outside. That's just sad. We have to order it online. That's sad. That's really sad. Wait, how much are they? They have a lot in stock. People will be like, come in, come in.
There's Pop It at Target, guys.
Pop it, go get your own pop it. Are these like squishies? Because these are cute. Are they like cards?
No, it's cards.
Ah. The other side.
Oh, it's a mini brand.
These are mini brands, which is like things that people use in dailies, but in a smaller version.
have much at Target. Maybe next time we'll do
We still have 2 more sections to go. Oh.
maybe next time we'll do Walmart.
Walmart has marshmallows. Alright, let's go look in the cheaper areas, I can say. So let's go head down. We probably won't get anything, but it's worth a try to look.
It's the $1 section.
This is not slime, this is liquid. That is This is like a rubber ball.
Is it?
No, it's like an Easter egg. I don't know
Oh,
what's
it's
in
an
it.
Easter egg.
You need to ask that question.
Horrible. These are like cupcakes. See you guys at the review at home. So let's go check out. Bye. Guys, I'm back at home to show you the review and what I got. I'm playing with the Simple Dimple that I got. So I'm just gonna put it down and I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. So I got this thinking putty. It's a very miniature one. It's mini hypercolor thinking putty. The name is called Nightfall, and I really like it because it's coloring. When it's in the container, it's purple, and when you take it out and start playing with it more, it turns blue. But the consistency is pretty stretchy for a slime. It looks really dark on the camera and more bluish color, but right now it's still violet, but it hasn't turned blue yet. It turns really bright blue, and it's a very good consistency. I don't know how to speak today for some reason, but it's pretty stretchy for a putty. I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. It has a good poke to it. I'll show you that. Sorry. See, nice poke. Okay. Okay. It's not sticky at all. So, yeah. I'm gonna put this back in the little tiny cute container. Yeah. And then we got 4 slimes, Amazing Slime Dazzle collection. First off, we got pink. Yeah. And then let me open this more. We got orange, a nice glitter. They really did mean it when they said good slime. We got my favorite color. Try to comment down below to guess what it is. So this color, they have blue. And then we have this color, my favorite color. I want you guys to guess what it is. I'm not going to show you guys it until the next video. So yeah, so I'm going to rate each individual one. So I rate this pink one an 8 out of 10. Well, they're kind of like the same thing, but the colors, I would say. I give the orange one a 10 out of 10. It's a good slime, but not stretchy at all. They literally don't stretch. Wow. But it's good poking slime. You have to stretch it so slow. 3 hours later. Yeah, so I like the orange and I like blue. Let's see if I can open this. There. A bubble. Whoa. So yeah, I like that. So, why is there nothing for me? So see you guys later. Bye.